Hello again. The reason I came here was to get a picture of this monkey tree. These are weird trees. Oh. There we go. That's what I wanted to get. Now these are very sharp. Boy, that is very stiff. And I could poke myself if I went a little tougher. And these are great trees. And I love them. They're so different. They're from, I heard, Central America, Brazil area, I believe. And presumably they're supposed to be endangered there. I don't know what it takes to get them to grow here. I've never seen one like, they have big seed pods. Like there's one there. I'll see if I can get one. Get it focused for you if I can find it again. Where is it? I can see, oh, there's one. See, they have these kind of seed pods. And I've seen them on the ground, but I've never seen a monkey tree like sprout out of the ground. So I don't know if they need another tree to cross-pollinate or what. But there's the seed pods for this season. They're starting to mature. I will have to do a little research and maybe come back and get a seed pod and see if I can get them to germinate. Anyways, there's the monkey tree. I'll pull back. There's not many of them around, but they are around. And that certainly is not the biggest one I've ever seen. There's one in Ladysmith that's probably about 3 times the size of this, but it was probably planted in like the 1880s. Anyways, thank you very much. Thank you for joining me.